Imagine bringing high-speed, low-latency internet to the middle of the ocean, no delays, no interruptions. In this week's episode of What's Up, we'll be diving into the installation process and purpose of VSAT systems on FPSO vessels, breaking down how they keep offshore operations connected and running smoothly. What is a VSAT system? VSAT, Very Small Aperture Terminal, is a satellite communication system that provides high-speed internet and data connectivity for remote offshore locations like FPSOs. Key uses: internet, VoIP, video conferencing, monitoring, and real-time data sharing. Why is it important on FPSOs? Facilitates critical communication between offshore operations and onshore control centers. Essential for safety, operational efficiency, and crew welfare. Preparation and planning. Site survey: identify the best location for the antenna with an unobstructed view of the sky, no interference from cranes, exhaust stacks, or other structures. Consider the FPSO's movement due to waves, dynamic positioning. Safety gear and tools: safety harnesses, helmets, and gloves. Tools: drills, cable ties, wrenches, spectrum analyzer, multimeter. Compliance: adhere to standards like ABS, DNV, and IMO for installation and operation. System components: antenna, parabolic dish with automatic tracking to maintain connection despite vessel movement. BUC and LNB. BUC converts signals from the modem for transmission to the satellite. LNB receives signals from the satellite and converts them for the modem. Modem processes data to and from the satellite, acting as the system's brain. Power supply and cables ensure proper cable shielding for offshore conditions. Here's a step-by-step guide to show you exactly how a VSAT system is installed on an FPSO vessel. Step 1. Mounting the antenna. Selecting a location, place the antenna high on the mast or a secure platform for maximum visibility. Avoid vibration-prone areas and ensure proper grounding. Installation process: secure the mounting bracket using corrosion-resistant fasteners. Test the stability by simulating FPSO motion. Step 2. Running cables. Routing the cables: use existing cable trays or conduits to route cables safely from the antenna to the control room. Securing the cables: protect cables from abrasion, weather, and mechanical stress using marine-grade clips and ties. Grounding: ensure the cables and antenna are properly grounded to prevent static buildup. Step 3. Configuring the modem and network. Modem setup: connect the modem to the antenna, ensuring proper connections to the BUC and LNB. Input settings such as satellite frequency, polarization, and symbol rate. Network configuration: assign IP addresses for devices connected to the VSAT network. Integrate the system with the FPSO's local network for seamless connectivity. Step 4. Aligning the antenna. Alignment process: use the antenna controller software to identify the satellite's position. Fine-tune the alignment using a spectrum analyzer to achieve peak signal strength. Auto-tracking calibration: ensure the antenna's auto-tracking function compensates for vessel movement. Step 5. Testing the system. Connectivity tests: test for signal strength, bandwidth, and latency using diagnostic tools. Stress testing: simulate high data traffic to verify system stability under load. Backup link check: if a backup antenna is present, test its functionality. Step 6. Ensuring redundancy and fail-safes. Redundancy setup: install a secondary antenna or modem as a failover system. Configure automatic switchover to minimize downtime during equipment failure. Monitoring tools: enable remote monitoring to identify and troubleshoot issues quickly. Once everything is sorted, we can proceed to final checks and handover. This includes documentation: create a report detailing the installation process, settings, and test results. Training: provide training for onboard personnel to operate and troubleshoot the system. Handover: confirm that the system is operational and meets the client's requirements. And that wraps up our step-by-step guide to installing a VSAT system on an FPSO vessel. We hope you found this breakdown helpful in understanding the process and the vital role these systems play in offshore connectivity. Thanks for tuning in to What's Up series, and we'll see you in our next video.